Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and a first look of a new knife from Sencut that I got. This is a fairly new company. The brand started in 2020 and it is owned by the V Knife Company Limited. So they are under the CVV group. Therefore, they have similar packaging, similar stickers, and also the same good quality. So this model is the Sachse, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Depends on where you're from, but this is the name of the knife. The model number is S21007-3, and it is in brown canvas micarta. So inside we have the silica packet and also the same, should I say, similar pouch that CVV is using. Like I mentioned in my previous video, the Sencut brand is, the position the Sencut brand is to be a value or budget oriented offering, so even less expensive like CVV, but it uses more value-oriented materials. So usually from CV you are getting D2 or different kinds of steels. With the current offering from Sencut you will get the well-known Chinese 9CR13 MOV. Microfiber cloth is included, of course, a little bag, and here's the knife itself. So this is what I call their push button offer. With a button lock, of course, and we have a overall length of 20 centimeters or 7.8 inches. The blade is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The cutting edge is 8.4 centimeters or 3.3 inches. The blade width is 3 centimeters, 1.2 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters, 0.12 inches. The handle length is 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Like I mentioned, on the blade we have 9CR13 MOV, and the blade steel, with a really nice drop point blade with this time with a satin finish. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I will be much more happy if they used also on this one the satin, sorry, the stone wash like on the scepter, but it is what it is. The handle scales are made out of the CVV canvas micarta. We have stainless steel, a really nice and deep skeletonization profile. You can see all those milled off grooves. This definitely adds up on costs, but will definitely lighten up severely the knife itself. For the pivot assembly we have ceramic cage ball bearing washers and a plunge lock or push button lock on the knife itself. Perfect centering, you can see there. Let's check out the sharpness, but like on all previous CVV knives, this is perfectly sharpened and really nicely made. Okay, let me show you the pocket profile. We have a deep carry pocket clip, which has really this one has even lighter stiffness like the previous one, so definitely really nice to see there. Flush screws, of course, and you can position it on both sides for left or right handed carry. This is really ride really nicely inside your pocket, and a little bit out is sticking out. We have no special pivot screw like on CVV, but that will also drive the cost a little bit down. And we have Sencut logo on one side, and there should be somewhere right there is the blade steel. Opening metal, like I mentioned, you have thumb studs and a nice flipper. So this is really nice and smooth out of the box. Nothing is applied to it. Okay, now let's see a few size comparisons. So firstly, let me take out the CVV Cogent, because this is their push button or plunge lock knife that they recently released. So, and if you ask me which one I would pick, I would definitely go with the Cogent. Maybe if they would use the same CVV Micarta on this one, it will be a little bit better for my collection, since I try to collect all of them. And with this new course, I call it course Micarta, which is basically burlap style Micarta, they little bit thrown out my collection out of the balance, but yeah, it is what it is. So now let's see a few more knives. So here is the CVV pintail, which in my opinion is a little bit similar as handle configuration style, but it's smaller. And the model Brazen, which also has a similar handle configuration, but with the Damascus blade. I forgot to mention the weight on the knife is 101.4 grams or 3.6 ounces. You can get it also in natural G10, green micarta, and black micarta. Okay, let's continue. Here is the Bestech Syntax. Here is the CVV Elementum, QSP Osprey, QSP Penguin, Benchmade Bugout, a large reptilian from Benchmade, Spyderco Paramilitary 2, Kaiser Begleiter 2, Red Model 1, Spyderco Delica, .940 from Benchmade, CRKT Pilar 3, Ace Grand from Giant Mouse, Bucksprint Pro, CVV Rustic Gent, Rough Rider Peanut, and let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Price-wise, you're looking at around $54.75. That is directly from Sencut. The price may be different if you are going through a dealer or a reseller. So I'm really happy that we can finally get these here in Europe, because they were available only for the US market. You cannot directly order from the Sencut website and ship it to Europe. so you need to have a US proxy address or a friend who will be ordering it for you. And yeah, so this was the situation probably a couple of weeks ago. Now they are finally available. I will put some links down below if you are looking for a European-based reseller. He has some different models with different kind of configurations, and I hope they will have soon more models, because they are, if I'm not mistaken, 2 more models with brown canvas micarta that I really like to have for my collection. But overall, I must say, if you're looking for a nice push button or plunge lock flipper, then yeah, this is a really great option for under $60 and 60 euros. But if you can spare a little bit more, then definitely check out also the Cogent. Has also really nice action. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. Do not miss any future video. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes I other stuff regarding my other hobbies. Okay, that being said, wish you a wonderful day. I will see you soon. Bye.